Good morning, friends. In today's lecture, we will start vector calculus. In the vector calculus, we will study vector differential calculus and vector integral calculus. First of all, before starting vector calculus, we discuss about some types of functions. First, scalar to scalar function, which is already we studied. A function from a to b, where a and b are subset of R. Here a is a domain of function, b is codomain of function, or f from R to R is called a real valued single variable function or scalar to scalar function. It is a very simple function. Already we discussed about it in the calculus. R to R plus fx equal to x square plus 1, f from R to R, fx equal to x cube e raised to x sin x cos x etc. This type of functions. F is n to R is fx equal to 1 upon x. These are the some simple functions, real valued single variable function. Now here scalar to vector function. So these are the vector functions. A function r bar from domain R2 codomain R cube or domain R2 codomain R2 given by r bar t equal to xt I caret plus yt j caret plus zt k caret, or r bar t equal to rt xt yt and zt, where t is real number. So this type of functions are one scalar value t2 vector value xt yt and zt. This is the functions. This type of functions are scalar to vector functions. And for two variable, r bar t from R to R2 equal to is denoted as r bar t equal to xti plus ytj. Let us see some examples. R from R to R cube. These are the some functions r bar to R cube. xt r bar t equal to cos t I, this is the first component, plus sin t j, second component, and t k. This is your scalar to vector function. Another function r bar t equal to t square I minus 3t j plus t minus 1 k. R bar t like this, 3t I plus t cube j plus 5 is another scalar to vector function. Here I am taking some examples of r bar from R to R2. R bar t equal to t square I plus 3t plus 1j. It can be also written like this: t square, first component is t square and second component is 3t plus 1. R bar t equal to 3t minus 4t. First component is 3t and second component is minus 4t. Now next is vector to scalar function, and it is also a multivariable function. Vector, that means a function of the type phi r cube is the vector form, domain is in the vector form, to r is single variable. So a function like r cube to r given by phi of x y z and its image is real value, known as vector to scalar function. It is a multivariable functions which already studied in the partial derivative. Phi of x y z equal to x square plus yz. So this is After putting the value of x, y, z, we get the one single real value. Phi of x, y, z equal to x square y plus y z upon x square plus y square plus z square. Phi equal to x square plus y square plus z square, and sometime we can take phi of xy equal to 3xy. Now we can take vector to vector function, a function f bar from r cube to r cube, domain is r cube and codomain is also r cube, given by f of x y z equal to f1 x y z I caret plus f2 x y z j caret plus f3 x y z k caret, where f1 f2 f3 are scalar valued function. This is known as vector to vector function. As for example, f bar x y z equal to x square y I caret plus x cube y z plus j caret and plus y square z square k caret. So this is your first component. X square y is the first component, x cube y z is the second component, and y square z square is third component. In this function, f bar equal to y square e raised to x is the first component I caret, second component 3xy j caret, and third component 5y x square y. Sometime a function from R2 to R2 like this, f bar xy equal to x square plus y square I caret is the first component plus x square minus y square j caret. Here we can take j caret. It is a R2 to R2 vector function. In the vector differential calculus, first we discuss about the vector differential operator del or nabla. It is denoted like this, and it is also known as del or nabla. Del is equal to del by del x I caret, it's the first component, plus del by del y j caret, second component, plus del by del z k caret, third component. Gradient of scalar valued function. A function phi of x y z be a scalar valued function. The gradient of scalar valued function phi denoted as del phi or nabla phi equal to gradient phi, and it is defined as del phi equal to del by del x I caret plus del by del y j caret plus del by del z k caret, phi applied on this differential operator. Then finally we get gradient of phi equal to del phi by del x I caret plus del phi by del y j caret plus del phi by del z k caret del phi. As for example, phi of x y z equal to x square y z square. Gradient of phi del phi is del phi by del x I caret plus del phi by del y j caret plus del phi by del z k caret, and function x square y z square applied on this differential operator. Then finally we get del phi equal to del x square y z square upon del x I caret plus del x square y z square del y j caret plus del x square y z square k caret. Del phi equal to 2x y z square. Here we are differentiating x square y z square with respect to x, so we get 2x y z square I caret plus x square z square j caret plus 2x square y z into k caret. This is the gradient of the function phi. Now, what is the geometrical meaning of the gradient? Let S equal to phi of xyz k be a surface in a space R3 and point x0, y0, z0 be on the surface S. Gradient of phi equal to del phi by del x I caret plus del phi by del y j caret plus del phi by del z k caret be a normal to surfaces at point P x0, y0, z0. Geometrically, this is our surface phi of xyz equal to k and P is any point on the surface. Then gradient of phi or del phi be a normal to a surface at that point, and unit vector normal to surface S is n caret n bar upon n mod of n bar equal to del phi at P, that means gradient of phi at P upon modulus value of gradient of phi at point P. N bar caret is called unit vector normal to a surface. Let us see one example. Find unit vector normal to a surface phi of x, y, z equal to x, y, z square 2 at point 1, 2, minus 1. Phi of x, y, z square equal to 2 be a surface and point is 1, 2, minus 1 lies on surface x, y, z square equal to 2. Now, gradient of phi is del by del x I caret plus del by del y j caret plus del by del z k caret phi, where gradient of phi equal to del phi by del x I caret plus del phi by del y j caret plus del phi by del z k caret, where we apply the function x, y, z square to equation number 1, then differentiate phi x, y, z square with respect to x, we get y, z square. Differentiate phi function x, y, z square with respect to y, we get x, z square. And differentiate function phi with respect to z, we get 2xy z k caret. Therefore, n bar equal to del phi at point 1, 2, minus 1 is 2I caret plus j caret minus 4k caret. Put the value x equal to 1, y equal to 2 and z equal to minus 1 in gradient of phi. We get the vector 2, 1, minus 4. This is the normal vector to a surface x, y, z square equal to 2. Now, unit vector to normal to the surface is n bar upon modulus value of n bar. Here, modulus value of n bar is 2 square plus 1 square plus minus 4 square, that is 4 plus 1 plus 16, it is under root 21. So, our normal vector n bar is divided by under root 21. So, we get 2 by under root 21 I caret plus 1 by under root 21 j caret minus 4 by under root 21 k caret. It is unit vector normal to the surface x, y, z square equal to 2. Let us see second example. Find the unit vector normal to a surface phi of x square plus y z square plus 4 at point 1, minus 1, 2. X square plus xy plus z square minus 4 is our function. Gradient of phi is del phi equal to del phi by del x I caret plus del phi by del y j caret plus del phi by del z k caret. Del phi equal to 2x plus y I caret plus x j caret plus 2z k caret. Here we differentiate phi with respect to x, we get 2x plus y, it's the first component. Differentiate this function x square plus xy plus z square minus 4 with respect to y, we get only x, second component. And differentiate x square plus xy plus z square minus 4 with respect to z, we get 2z. Normal to the surface at point 1 minus 1 2 is n bar equal to del phi at point P. Its value is 2 minus 1, so it is 1 1 4 or 1i plus j plus 4. Here we are putting value of x, y, z in del phi or gradient of phi. Now modulus value of n bar is under root 1 square plus 1 square plus 4 square, because our normal vector is 1i plus 1j plus 4k, and its magnitude is under root 18. That can be also written like 3 under root 2. Unit normal vector to surface is x square plus xy, surface x square plus xy plus z square equal to 4 at point 1 minus 1 2 is n caret equal to I plus j plus 4k upon 3 root 2. It can be written like this: I 1 upon 3 root 2i plus 1 upon 3 root 2j plus 4 upon 3 root 2k, unit normal vector to a surface. Let us see one more example. R bar equal to x I caret plus y j caret plus z k caret be any vector in R cube x y z, and length of that vector or magnitude of that vector is equal to r equal to magnitude value of r bar equal to under root x square plus y square plus z square. So this is our any vector in R cube, and its length or its magnitude is under root x square plus y square plus z square. It is the length from the origin. Now gradient of r raised to n. Here r raised to n is the magnitude raised to power n. So r raised to n is a power of n of the function under root x square plus y square plus z square. So it is a power of this square root, and it is equal to n r raised to n minus 2 into r bar. Let r bar is a vector xyz in R cube, and magnitude is under root x square plus y square. So del r by del x is 1 upon under root 2 times under root x square plus y square plus z square, and derivative of x square is 2x. So del r by del x is equal to x by r. Del r by del y is equal to, similarly, del r by del y is equal to y by r, and del r by del z is z by r. Now del r raised to n, that means gradient of r raised to n equal to del by del x I caret plus del by del y j caret plus del by del z k caret r raised to n. Del r raised to n applied on r raised to n. So del r raised to n del x plus I caret into plus del r raised to n y del y j caret plus del r raised to n del z k caret. Now differentiate r raised to n, we get n into r raised to n minus 1, and this is the function of r. Here r raised to n is a function of r raised to n be a function of r and it is a function of xyz. So we will apply the chain rule. So derivative of r raised to n is n into r raised to n minus 1 and it is the derivative with respect to x. So del r by del x is here according to the chain rule. I caret plus n r raised to n minus 1, here we write del r by del y plus n r raised to n minus 1 del r by del z k caret. Take the n r raised to n minus 1 common, del r by del x I caret plus del r by del y j caret plus del r by del z k caret. We know the value of del r by del x is del r by del x is x by r, del r by del y is y by r, del r by del z is z by r. We put the value of del r by del x is x by r. This is our del r by del x. Del r by del y, it's y by r, and del r by del z, it's z by r. So next step will be n into r raised to n minus 1 common, then del r by x by r I caret plus y by r j caret plus z by r k caret. Now we can take the common 1 upon r from this vector, then we get n r raised to n minus 1 upon r x I caret plus y j caret plus z k caret, and then we get n into r raised to n minus 2 into x I caret plus y j caret plus z k caret, and it is a vector r bar. So finally gradient of r raised to n equal to n r raised to n minus 2 r bar.